Hi everyone, my name is Neil Morrissey, and welcome to my course, Creating Security Baselines in Microsoft Azure. I'm a solutions architect. Security is a major concern for any organization moving to or already in the cloud, and developing a security baseline helps you address that concern. A security baseline is a document and a design that you implement, and it defines the automated tools and the manual processes needed to support your cloud environment from a security perspective. This course is going to teach you about Microsoft's Cloud Adoption Framework for Azure and how to develop the security baseline that's part of the framework. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include understanding the Cloud Adoption Framework and the 5 disciplines of cloud governance, creating security baseline policies to address business and technical risks. You'll learn about the tools and services in Azure to create network security baselines, and also what's available to help you implement data security baselines. By the end of this course, you'll know how to start developing a security baseline that's specific to your organization. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the Azure portal and have some understanding of networking and security concepts. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn security architecture with the course Creating Security Baselines in Microsoft Azure here on Pluralsight.